Careful. Can you look where you're going? Did you find any lizards? Where are all the lizards? Is it too cold? Leaf?
Yeah. She moved it. Oh my God.
Careful on that step. What are you looking for? Where's those lizards? Say, lizards, where are you?
Messy.
It's messy? You need to tell Daddy to clean the yard. Too many leaves. Stay here, please. Ella? You gotta stay up here. You're gonna get lost. Uh-oh, I see a lizard. I see it. He's up here. Did he go in the tree?
No. Bye-bye.
He went bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Are you done?